Hi everyone, I'm Lisa Howdegi, and today I'm going to compare two of my favorite foundations, the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Foundation and the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. We're going to talk through each formula, what I love about both of them, and how they differ so you can decide which one's best for you. Let's get into it. Starting first with the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Foundation. I wear the shade C4, which is a cool light medium. Now, what I love about this foundation is how natural and skin-like the finish looks. It's a very lightweight foundation and it offers medium coverage. It's also very hydrating, so this is really great if you are someone that has dry skin or dehydrated skin, or maybe this could be your winter foundation when the climate that you live in dries out and gets a little colder. I know personally my skin will vary depending on the time of year and the type of environment I'm in. So whenever I'm looking for a little extra hydration to the skin, this is one of my go-to foundations. I also love that it is alcohol-free, fragrance-free, and it's non-comedogenic. It also comes in 47 shades, so you know you're gonna get a perfect and precise match. I love how easy it blends into the skin. It truly does live up to its name, as in super blendable. I put this on and it blends out so easy, so effortlessly. The skin is left with this beautiful skin-like, slightly radiant finish. I love it. It's also gonna vary depending on the skin prep that you use underneath it, or you can choose to set it with powder if you want to mattify it in certain areas, but I really love this on the days where my skin feels dry, dehydrated, or I just want a little bit more life and glow to my skin. Next up is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. Now, what I love about this foundation, I love how thin and lightweight the texture is. The formula has a very thin viscosity. It feels weightless on the skin can breathe through it, but you still get exceptional coverage. This foundation offers a medium to full coverage, so it's buildable. So on some days you can get more coverage if you need it. I also love how long wearing this foundation is. It says it's up to 32-hour wear. Now, I've personally never worn it up to 32 hours, but this is a foundation that I go to when I have really long days, and I know I'm gonna need my makeup to withstand that day. So let's say I'm getting ready early in the morning, I have a full day at work, and then after that I might have a dinner or an event. This is always the foundation that I reach for. I like to wear the shade 460. It's a great match for my skin tone. This comes in 40 shades, so you have a wide range of shades to choose from. This foundation is also non-comedogenic and it's also fragrance-free. It's great for all skin types as well. I think if you have a dry skin, you're really gonna love just how natural and light this feels on the skin. Yet if you are someone that has more oily skin, you're gonna love the longevity of this product and how you don't have to worry about it fading or slipping around on the face throughout the day. It's really gonna stay and look fresh all day. An extra bonus is that this foundation has an SPF of 25. I personally love this. I remember when I used this for the first time years ago, it was a staple in my routine. It was always a foundation that I reached for and went for. I love, again, just how lightweight it is, but the coverage that you get is exceptional. So I hope this video gives you a little insight in the key differences between these two amazing foundations. I personally love them both, but I think if you're someone with dry or dehydrated skin and you want more of a skin-like radiant finish, then I think the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Foundation is going to be the one you will love. And if you're someone who is more concerned with longevity and you want your makeup to last 10, 12, 15, 16, or 32 hours, and you want a lightweight texture, something that's transfer proof, that will stay on all day, and has an SPF of 25, then the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation is for you. So there you have it. If you'd like to learn more about these two products or shop them, you can head to l'orealparisusa.com. Links will be down below in the description box. Thanks for watching.